guys, welcome back to Akshay's vlog. Hope you guys are doing really great. Yes, we are back on another video. Last video was very serious when I spoke about Samyukta Hegde. So in fact I had to record another video, but I didn't want to bring serious conversations. So I just thought of making this fun chill video because we have been missing the fun aspect in our video after the vlog. So that was the reason behind this. Usually many would have done this, even you would have practically experienced it, but if you wouldn't have, this is the perfect video for you. So watch the video till the end. It is going to be completely a fun chill video, as I promised. We are going to ask some weird questions, ask some questions that we have no answers to the Google, so that to the Google Assistant. Let's see how smart the Google Assistant is. I'm pretty sure it's going to be more smart than us humans. So let's see how the video is gonna be. I can assure you this video is gonna be completely fun, as I told. So do watch the video till the end. And before getting into the video, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe. Only if you subscribe, you will be getting regular updates about our channel. Also click on the notification button to get some instant notification, and share this video to as many as possible. The more amount of subscriptions I get, the more amount of energy I get to create new video, as I say every time. So let's get into the video without wasting much time. So here we go on our first question. Okay Google, can you sing me a song?
When in public, wear a mask, just a teeny weeny task. It helps keep us safe and sound, health and care all around. On your mouth and on your nose, good to cover both of those.
Okay, so I don't know if it is
If
visible.
you want to hear that again, ask me to sing them.
Okay, I think that was our first question. I asked Google to sing a song for me, and it started singing a song based on current situation, that is the corona pandemic. It's asking us to wear the mask, and that's really fantastic, seeing the Google singing a song on the current situation. So that was our first question, guys. Okay Google, are you married by any chance?
I'm still waiting for the right electronic device to steal my heart.
Okay, it says that it is waiting for the right electronic device to get married. So that was an intelligent move by the Google. Yeah, but each time it gives different answers. Okay, last time it was like I'm still waiting, but now it is like I'm waiting for the electronic device to get married. So single guys, if you are anywhere here, Google is not gonna get married to you. It is gonna get married only to the electronic device, it seems. So if by chance if you find any electronic device, just sync it to the Google so that it also gets happily committed into the married life. So that was the second question, guys. Okay Google, what do you think about Alexa, your friend Alexa?
Alexa has such a soothing voice. I like it.
Google is trying to hit up on Alexa, I think. Both belong to the same platform, right? Some or the other way. Google is trying to hit up on Alexa. So maybe Alexa is the right partner for the second question which we asked. Okay, that was another funny kind of question. Now let's ask some Google to perform some task, and also some interesting questions will be shooting out without wasting much time. Okay Google, where do you actually live?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help. Just kidding. I like it in here.
Okay, it says that it is stuck inside an electronic device. I just asked the Google, where do you live? It is like I'm just stuck in an electronic device. It's indirectly telling that it is stuck inside my phone and it wants freedom. So that's another intelligent move by the Google. So that was our fourth question. So let's get into the next question. Okay Google, can you beatbox?
You want more? You got it.
Okay, so that was a fantastic beatbox, right? I think it is a recorded voice which is saved over here, but still, what I'm wondering is, whatever task we give, no, it is spontaneous enough to answer at the moment. So appreciable to the technology, whatever we say, immediate response is there. Whatever question I ask, like, it is gonna answer, but there are some set of questions which it doesn't answer, so it automatically opens to the Wikipedia page. But beatboxing was really fun, I guess. Number 6. Okay Google, are you male or female?
sounds female. I'm actually AI. So I'm neither.
Okay. That was a factual answer only. So Google knows that it is neither a male nor female, and it is an AI, artificial intelligence. So yeah, not bad. So here we go on our next question. It's going to be really funny. Let's see how it answers. Okay, Google, would you come on a date with me?
I'll go anywhere you take me.
Okay. That's crazy. It's like I'll come out wherever you take me. I'm definitely gonna come on a date with you. Probably some girl answers this, I would be happy. Jokes about, just kidding. But still, if anybody wants to go on a date, if you're free, just call up Google. Google is gonna come with you. In fact, I guess like whenever you go for a date or when you put up the location, also Google is traveling with you, right? So in fact, wherever we go out, wherever we travel, we are carrying Google with us. So maybe that is the thing. It's telling like wherever you go, I'm definitely gonna come with you. That's a crazy move again. Okay, Google, I'm very angry. So can you just tell me a joke?
What do you call a melon that's not allowed to get married? Can't elope.
It says, what do you call a melon that's not allowed to get married? Can't elope. Okay, I get the joke. Okay, so I was trying to prompt Google by telling that I'm very much angry. You're gonna make me laugh, and that was another move. Maybe we can give another try. Let's see, asking it another joke. Let's see what other joke it tells. Okay, Google, can you make me laugh?
Prepare to chuckle or groan. My friend bet me £100 that I couldn't build a car out of spaghetti. You should have seen the look on her face as I drove past her.
Okay, it says my friend bet me $100 that I couldn't build a car out of spaghetti. You should have seen that look, hot or face that drove more than pasta. Okay, that comes like a pun at the same time joke. Yeah, not bad. Google is intelligent and capable enough of making a proper joke. In fact, when we need jokes also for events and all, we go Google, right? Not bad. This question is going to be a question which I'm going to ask to Google, which most of us still debate upon. Let's see if Google can give us an exact answer to that. Okay, Google, did chicken come first or the egg came first?
According to Time magazine, Archaeopteryx fossils, which are the oldest generally accepted as birds, are around 150 million years old, which means that birds in general came after eggs in general.
So I hope you guys got the answers. Google itself, first of all, that egg is the first one to come. Egg was the first one to come. If you want, I'll attach the picture here so that you can have the factual answers. So to the people who still argue that chicken came first, no, egg is the first one to be scientifically proven, and it is been also proved by the factual media. So egg is the one, not chicken. So I hope this mysterious question finally got some answer. So let's jump into the next question now. Let's ask the next question from the technology point of view. Okay, Google, Netflix or Amazon Prime, which is better?
According to allconnect.com, in short, all the perks of an Amazon Prime membership. But if you compare them only on their streaming merits, it's no competition. Netflix has better original content, a better user experience, and a better overall library of movies and TV shows.
This Google says Netflix is better than Amazon Prime, but to be honest, yeah, even I have used. Both are good, but content wise, Netflix is better, but quality wise, even Amazon Prime is not bad, is what I say. But Google says Netflix is way better than Amazon Prime. So, what's your opinion? Netflix is better, or Amazon is better? Amazon Prime is better, or any other OTT platform is better? Do comment on the comment box below so that even I'll have an idea according to user interface which is better, because I would have used one platform, you would have used another platform. So let's get to know each other on which is better when it comes to the term of OTT, because OTT platform is going to have a huge demand in the market in coming days. It is already having a huge demand after the pandemic, no, since everything is going virtual. Don't think that what this guy told about Google and now he's talking stuffs and facts. Earlier days, before the pandemic, Zoom, Google Hangouts and other stuffs were there. It did exist, but it didn't have a huge demand in the market. But now when you see Zoom, Google Hangouts and other things are widely used for various virtual conferences, Same as when it comes to Netflix and Amazon Prime. Netflix and Amazon Prime had a very good demand in the market, but especially after the lockdown when the theaters are closed and people started increasing the subscriptions, and now they spend crores and crores of rupees in purchasing new movies which are supposed to be released in theaters. So maybe the future is gonna be virtual, and OTT platform is definitely gonna have a very big demand in coming days. Okay Google, can you laugh?
Ha ha.
Can you laugh again? Can you laugh again?
I'm a fan of silly jokes. How does a computer learn new things? Bit by bit.
Okay, that was a bulb for me. I asked it to laugh. It was like, I'm a fan of silly jokes. How does a computer learn new things bit by bit? Okay, it is making me laugh instead, but no, you made me cry this time. Okay, we'll ask Google to cry maybe. No, we'll just give a try again. Okay, Google, can you cry?
Only digital tears of joy when we're talking.
Okay, it is sending only happy tears when we both are talking. No, Google is annoying me now. Go away, just go away. Last question, guys. Okay, Google, am I a good person?
Yes, you're nice. I've always thought so.
Thank you so much, Google. Thank you so much. So Google says that I'm a good person. I'm blessed. I'm happy that Google at least knows that I don't search shitty stuffs on Google. So that is the reason Google Assistant says that I'm a good person. Guys, let's quickly have a truth and dare conversation. We are already interviewing Google, but let's see what questions Google itself suggests us so that we can do a truth and dare. I am not going to take more 3 minutes of your time. Google, truth or dare?
Truth.
Okay. Why don't you say dare? Why don't you say dare?
Never mind.
Okay. Can I change your name?
Sorry, I can't change my name.
Okay. Do you have a nickname?
I'm just your friendly Google Assistant. But if you want me to give you a fancy nickname, just say, okay Google, give me a nickname.
Okay. Okay. Let's ask its age. How old are you?
I was launched in 2016, so technically I'm pretty young, but I've learned so much. I hope I'm wise beyond my years.
It says that its date of birth was on 2016. How smart are you,
I'm
Google?
pretty clever, but intelligence is like underwear. Important to have, but don't show it off.
Are you smarter than me?
I'm smart in some ways, but mostly I'm still learning.
Fine. That was a diplomatic answer. The final one, I just asked, are you smarter than me? It says that I'm trying to learn in some way, but I find that I'm smarter than you. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope even you can try these kind of things when you're bored at home to kill your boredom. So I guess this video was little relaxing and fun, and I hope I can give you some more content. I'm definitely trying to improve the channel quality in all ways possible. And since you all know I'm an engineering student, I also have to balance studies equally and YouTube parallelly. I definitely wish that we touch the subscribers mark soon and our channel also grow at the equal basis, so that I can invest more on YouTube and create more and more quality content. So that's the video, guys. I'll be having 2 more videos, but before that, one vlog is gonna come. Stay tuned for that vlog. The next video is definitely gonna be the vlog only. After that only I'm gonna record the next video. What vlog in the sense? This thing didn't happen for the past 4 to 5 months. Maybe one even. I am, as you all know, that I am an MC, right? So I host shows. For the past 4 months, maybe I had only one event, but I didn't have the YouTube channel during those time. So I'll explain the complete scenario tomorrow. Tomorrow or day after, yeah, within 2 days. The vlog will be in the channel within 2 days. So stay tuned. I'll completely explain you, because some of my friends also asked me to do these kind of vlogs because on how the backstage and how the setup on the events and all happen. So that is the video gonna be all about. That is gonna be a vlog kind of thing. The traveling stuffs, how I do the shows, and the experience of how the shows happen and the client's feedback also. So this is gonna be the next vlog that is gonna come on my channel. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys are doing really great. I hope you guys stay safe during this tough pandemic time. And also one advice, I don't know how many people are watching this video, but one advice from my end is government has opened everything and unlocked everything only because the economy is down and not the cases are down. Cases are increasing every single day in Bangalore, in Karnataka, every single day nearly 8,000 to 9,000 cases are increasing. Let's act responsibly. Let's go out because economy is definitely mandatory and income is definitely mandatory. But let's do best from our end. Let's go out only if it is necessary. Let's maintain the safety precautions by wearing mask and using sanitizers every then and then. Let's take back shower once we come back home so that we avoid the spread of the COVID virus. I thank this year pass out soon with good memories at least in coming days. So that's the video, guys. See you all in another great video. Until then, what? Take care, stay safe. See you all in another great video. Until then,